employee. You have been chosen to join our special team here in the
Able 2.0.
Your primary task will be repairing our
Subjects.
Do not worry. Each has already been
Extensively.
scanned and cleared before reaching you. Just remember the one golden rule.
Never let them wake up.
Welcome back, employee. Right in front of you is your main operating panel. When a body arrives, use the mechanical arm to locate the defect. The screen in front of you will show which tool you need to use. Use the shifter to switch between active tools. Once you have the appropriate tool selected, press the button to begin the operation. Each tool comes with its own task to complete. After finishing the task, you'll complete the step of the operation. Finish all steps to clear.
Defect.
Remember, if you choose the wrong tool, you'll fail the step, even if you complete the task correctly. Welcome, employee. While operating bodies, you consume a lot of energy at the same time. That's why, from time to time, you need to reduce the system's overheating. Behind you, there is a TV screen displaying the CCTV camera feed on the side. Here, you can see the
Angel.
Every action you make overheats your system. Use the main panel to redirect power to lower the overheat. Bounce from wall to wall when avoiding high voltages. If the overheat reaches 100%, the Angel will break free, and if you manage to complete all bodies before Angel gets you, we can redirect all power to security and try to catch him. Maybe.
You will survive.
Help me.